Hey guys, it's me. You all know who I am, right? No. Because I'm gonna stand out here in the rain. I'm gonna find a Bigfoot. I know I will. But why is he called Bigfoot and not Big Feet? You ever known that? Does he only have one big foot? How do you know? Because I found some, I don't know if you want to, but I found Bigfoot poo. And I'm going to show it. So look away if you want to, or skip ahead because it will be gone. Look, this is a Bigfoot toilet, but he missed. Bigfoot, you're supposed to go in your toilet. No one potty trained a Bigfoot. He just goes to wherever he wants. Like, why is no one saying anything? Hey, is there any Bigfoots hiding down here? What's up there? Something's leaking. What is this stuff? Oh, it's splash. What is it? Oh, it's water. Ew. What is water? I only know what Mountain Dew is. Ew. Water comes from the sky? Did you all know about this? I'm surprised. Like, oh, look at this. It's coming from the roof. Ow. Who's spilling water on the roof? It's coming from the sky. Why is water coming from the sky? Who's throwing water from the sky? Like, these guys need to do something about this. The roof is leaking. I mean, the sky is leaking. Or maybe the roof. Yeah, the roof up there. And one time, a dog called Old Lady Grandma Jenkins seen a potato walking off this tree. No, it wasn't. I tricked you. Water's on my phone. Why? It's not like it's raining. Wait, is that what it's called? Just remembered. Rain is a thing. Do you see it? No, probably not. The thing's pretty smudged. It's fixed. Like, well, whoever's not gonna fix this leaking thing, this is green water with some stuff in it. Oh, it's squishy. That's not a bug though. It's like a raw pine cone. And someone's gonna turn our pool green. Wait, is that a pool monster? It's surrounded by these raw pine cones. You guys seen this? What is that? It's moving. It's moving. It's moving. I am so... Ow. Oh, come on. I slipped in Bigfoot poo. Maybe. But there's rain. It'll wash off. Are you hearing that? I'm hearing, like, Bigfoot barks. Okay, guys. I did this in one video. I'm going to do it again. I don't know if I'm going to get attacked by anything. Because if you look down, do you hear those? Come on. If you look over there, that's a Bigfoot hut right there. That is a Bigfoot hut. And there's a red plant that's called Elmo back there. Oh, smudgy phone. I'll keep washing it off. Good thing there's a case on it. Hopefully that'll help it. What kind of ghost is touching the fence? Is this what you want, Bigfoot? You want me to rattle the fence? You got your ghost friends telling me to. You want some water? You want some water, Bigfoot? Okay. I'm going to do a Bigfoot call. And this is how you do it. You got to copy my tone. Ooh, 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 ooh. don't know what that means in Bigfoot. Probably nothing. It's probably gibberish. Ooh. Bigfoot, do you understand me? Probably not. Oi, cry, yo, operator. What, a 5-minute video? Cool. What does that mean? Oh yeah, this is one thing. You gotta get mad at this. Bigfoot, believe it or not, keeps eating the birdseed. Keeps taking his grubby Bigfoot hands, pulling this up, and crunching on seeds. Like, what kind of Bigfoot monkey guy is this? Bigfoot, stop eating our seeds. Get your own seeds. Gosh, these Bigfoots, guys, right? Like, we got leaves, and some plants called harvest, and then we got some foodie fresh fruits, and then we got some stuff down here. I don't know what's down there. Do you see it? Oh, there's a frog. Ew. What do frogs do? Yucky. And also, Bigfoot somehow came over the fence and took the banana tree. He ate the whole banana tree. Look at that. You see? Why? My banana tree. Guys. No. My banana tree. It's still harvest. It's time to harvest my wheat. Bigfoot mean.